Want to display a live health bar for your players in Roblox Studio? Let's build a clean GUI-based health bar step by step. Step 1. Create the GUI. In Starter GUI, insert a screen GUI. Inside it, add a frame. This is the background of your health bar. Name it Health Bar Background. Resize and position it on the screen. Inside it, add another frame named Health Bar Fill. This will show you the actual health bar. Step 2. Script the health sync. Add a local script inside Health Bar Fill. Use this basic code. Style the health bar using colors or gradients. And that's it. You now have a working GUI health bar in your Roblox game. Want to animate it or add text? Drop a comment. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.